What's going on? My name is Altone, and today I am really excited because Reyee has actually allowed me to try out another one of their awesome routers. And this particular one is the AX6000, otherwise known as the Reyee E6 gaming router. Now, I can tell you right now, this is a top of the line router. And again, it's primarily made for gamers, but if you happen to be someone who is doing some live streaming or your business, whether it's a home-based business or in an office where you rely greatly on a good internet connection, this guy is going to absolutely help you to be able to get that. And it does indeed come basically with everything in the box that you need in order to connect this guy and get him up and running so that you can have the absolute best connection possible. So many different things I could share with you about this guy, but I want to share with you some of the things that I think are most important. First of all, this guy can handle speeds of up to 5,952 megabits per second, and it is an Wi-Fi 6 8-stream gaming router, and the AX6000 can handle as many as 512 different devices and optimize internet for 80 devices. One of the other awesome things especially for a gamer that you'll see with this particular router, as you look at the back of it, is it does have your LAN and WAN connection here, but it also has 4 additional Ethernet connections, 2 of which are aggregate connections, which means that your gaming connection, which is connection 4, and your third connection can be used together on a single device to increase the internet speed to that particular device, if it does have dual Ethernet capability. This particular router will allow you to connect to other Reyee routers. I have quite a few of them, and this is currently connected mesh to one of my other routers providing internet for it, but this guy is actually going to end up being our primary router. So thank you so much for allowing me the opportunity to introduce you to the Reyee AX6000. Have an absolutely fantastic day.